Friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to unlock Facebook profile. First, you need to log into your Facebook account, then click on the profile, then click on the three lines, click on settings and privacy, then click on settings, scroll down, click on profile locking, then here it is already locked, then you will need to unlock, place on unlock, then unlock your profile. So you need to place on unlock your profile. So you unlocked your profile. More people may see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and please subscribe. See you in the next video.